a one-stop solution for creative pros. Avicii is a great resource for pretty much all of my creative needs. I've told so many of my friends in the creative field about this amazing value. Regardless of the project, it's my first stop for high-quality assets. The sellers are authors from well-known digital developers in the industry. Their items are tested and scanned for viruses. Their product does not go outdated, which is very important for the sustenance of any business model. My customers need to believe the services I provided to them, either using a plugin or a script, will not be outdated for trust and reliability. Let's assume I provide a service to my customers, and the theme or plugin gets outdated without the ability to update it. That will affect my business and my customers depending on my business, brand, or project. These are the things I considered before choosing them as the major source for my digital resource. I believe they know what they are doing. Thumbs up.